Alzheimer's can be a very nasty illness. Not only takes a toll on the person who has it, but also on the family members as well. Now, your mom is 66. She might not look like it, but her condition is getting worse. A lot of people start looking at different caretaking options like homes.
No. Doctor, I'm not putting my mother in a home.
I understand. I'm just trying to give you all the options available. There are professionals that know how to handle these cases, and they can help lift some of the weight off your shoulders.
Thank you, doctor. And I'll be taking her to her appointment next month.
Sounds good.
I used to be able to play this thing, you know.
Well, it's been a while since you played, silly.
We spend our lives striving to make a mark, to not be forgotten. But we forget that one day we might forget everything.
No, Mom.
Listen to me, Diana. Listen to me. We may one day forget everything around us, everything that we've built and cared about. Those that we've loved and who have left a mark on our lives. One day, I will forget who you are. I will forget the day I gave birth to you. I will forget the years I raised you.
I'll see you first thing in the morning, okay? I love you. Good night.
The day will come when I'll forget who you are, and you'll have to remind me every time. But I want you to know that I'll love you more and more every time you answer.
And I'll love you more and more every time you ask.
Victor? I didn't know you'd be home so early. Hello? Victor? Victor?